Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to be making Hungarian donuts. This recipe was requested by a friend of mine from Hungary. She sent me the recipe. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, scald sour cream and milk. As you can see here, I just added the sour cream directly to the hot pot so that it can curdle. Remove from the stove and stir in butter and sugar. Add rum and stir well. Add egg yolks. Stir well and set aside. Now let's move on to work on our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, I have about 2.5 cups of bread flour. I'm gonna add instant yeast and salt and mix well. Next, we're gonna pour the wet ingredients, then use a wooden spoon to mix everything together. As soon as the flour has moistened, we're gonna go in with our hand and knead for good 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, cover the dough with a clean kitchen towel and let it ferment for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, punch down the dough and knead it for 1 minute. The dough should be slightly sticky. Do not add more flour. Now turn out the dough on a lightly floured work surface and roll it out to 1/2 inch thickness. Cover and let rise for 15 minutes. While the donuts are rising, we're gonna go ahead and heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then make an indentation in the center of each donut. Do not poke all the way through, so there will be a little bit of dough remaining to hold jam. Now deep fry the donuts, indentation side down. Fry until lightly browned. Keep in mind guys, these donuts, they fry quickly, so flip as soon as they become golden and fry the other side. This should take between 40 to 50 seconds per side. Now let's listen to the music. All the donuts are fried. Now we're gonna dust with powdered sugar and fill with jam.